Hare Krishna. I started learning Jyotish from books. I understood the concepts, but I could never learn Jyotish. Understanding a concept and learning Jyotish are exactly two different things. I learned Jyotish, I learned prediction and guidance when I started listening to my gurus. Bhagwan Krishna would have wrote Bhagavad Gita and would have given to Arjuna. Go read. But he never did that. He actually said Bhagavad Gita. So you learn real Jyotish when it is coming out of the mukha of a guru. I'm launching Jyotish Acharya, a fresh Jyotish Acharya with a lot of additional topics. The team of students that I have, they predict, they calculate, and they are accurate. You can be one of them. Join us, Rudra Vedic Academy, Jyotish Acharya. Till then, Hare Krishna.